Good morning, everybody. After a very hurtful tank of gas, now it's time to do my oil change. Current mileage is 43,116. Here at Hendrick Honda of Easley to get everything done. So, gonna go take care of this. See y'all in a bit. All right, y'all. Oil change is done. It took us about an hour here, just because of the workload, but wasn't too terrible. Now I'm gonna go see my boo thing at work. Alrighty, had a nice little lunch with my boo, and we ran a few errands. Now I am downtown Greenville, at my last stop for the day. Got a doctor's appointment to follow up on everything, see how things are going. I will catch up with y'all after this, and then I get to go home and figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, doctor's appointment's over with. Got a pretty darn good clean bill of health. Turns out I'm fat. Didn't know that. No, honestly, for someone as heavy as I am, numbers look really good. So I'm not mad about that at all. So it's gonna be a good day. About to head to the house and see what I can get into. Try to enjoy the rest of this afternoon. See y'all later on. All right, I finally made it back home. So, time to figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Hope you guys are enjoying my content. As goofy as it is, but please don't forget, like, subscribe, send it to your friends. Help me grow my channel a little bit. Just trying to have a little fun while I'm out here. So, thanks for your continued support. Y'all have a great day.